Goedemorgen.
Nee.
Nee? Flying kiss lang, Bi. Mwah. Ana. Ana.
Anha? Nee, nee.
Let's go, let's go. Doei, Anna. Go, go. You're so pretty. Goedemorgen. So, Anna is trying to help again.
Dit will milk and then go to
I can do it though.
you don't have clean bottles, I think.
Today, may lakad kami ni Connie. Mag-high tea kami. Paalis na si Ruth. Papuntang work. Madam. Among little madam. So, tapos nang mag-milk si Anna. So, uy! Oh, nay! Are you okay? Ha? Anong di mo magunang giyabo? Sa imong nawong? Up! Uy, up! Up. Oh, hutso. Hindi puri back. Puri back. Lagi mo nag-bed si mama niya, ha? Nagibalik na sa giyabo. Tani eh. Sige. So, nakalimutan ko. May ano pa. Gumawa pala ako ng maramihang pancakes yesterday. So, yun ang ipapakain ko kay ano. So, ano lang natin. Initin natin. Ito yung ano, banana and banana, tsaka strawberry, tsaka blueberry pancakes. Tapos na. Kain din ako. Actually, hindi ako kakain na marami kasi mag-high tea kami na mother-in-law later. I'm getting your pancakes ready, Anna. Neat paper na din, ha? Oh, now. It's done. Klar. Come. I-ano lang natin. Slice natin yung kanyang pancake. Kaya naman niyang kumain na ano na. Malalaki na. Kinakagat niya. Pero, minsan, tinatamad. Ano pala, nagising siya ng mga 2 a.m. Tsaka iyak siya, nag-iyak guys. So, grabe. Hindi siya tumahan kaagad. So, inano na lang namin siya sa ano namin, tabi namin ni papa niya. Sa gitna niya, namin na naman. Tapos pag nasa gitna namin siya, pag nagigising siya, gusto niya gumising din kami. So, kanina nung nagising siya, ginaganito niya yung mata ko. Kaso hindi ako nagising, gumising agad. So, ginanito niya yung ilong ko. Buing talaga itong batang ito. Tapos tumawa siya. Bugoy ng bataan ni Wagoy. Gusto niya itong ano, pancake. I-mix ko lang yung fruits na ayaw niyang kainin. Except banana. She likes bananas. Ayan na. Ready na. Ito na. Mag-ano muna ako guys. As usual, linis-linis. So guys, dito sakit akong hipon na. Nagja-charge kasi ako, so malapit ako sa charger. Dumating dito kanina dumaan kanina yung lola ni Ana para i-confirm kung anong time yung namin, yung appointment namin. Sabi ni Mr. 1:00 daw, alas 12 pala. Tumbot niya na tumawag si natutulog na si Ana. Medyo grumpy si Ana today. I think sa ano na naman niya sa ipin niya. Ipakita ko pala sa inyo later yung aking lavender na tinanim ko na doon sa front namin. Tsaka yeah, may mga seeds akong nilagay na doon, tinanim na din. Mga February pa until April yata mamumulaklak yun. But yeah, Ana is napping now. And pag nagising siya, before kami umalis, dadalhin namin siya. Pero pag matutulog pa rin siya, tatawagan namin yung lolo niya para siya yung magbantay. Thank you, Peter. So, magre-ready lang ako, guys. Para naman hindi tayo masyadong stress tingnan. Sige, balikan ko kayo later. So, paalis na kami. We're going to the restaurant now. And Honey is already here. So, kita kids, I'll try to vlog inside. Yeah, before we can enter, we need to show our QR code. Because, yeah, it's a restaurant. So, balik na po pala kami mag-mask, no? But it's a restaurant, so we don't need to wear a mask. So, see you there. It's a nice weather.
Is going for Sinterklaas.
A few moments later.
So, andito na kami. We're inside the restaurant. And, yeah, Bonnie is also here. So, hinihintay na lang namin yung aming pagkain. It's very nice here. So, we got our coffee now. Ano siya, unlimited na tea and coffee you can choose, but then not special coffee or yung specialty. This is the coffee.
Jullie eerste ronde al.
Oh, lekker.
Dankjewel.
Kijken, volgens mij is het masala,
Ito yung choices
brie,
ng ng
carpaccio. Deze kan ik even niet zo goed zien.
Ito na yung first yummy. So, carpaccio bread naman tayo. Beef siya. So, sa last na ano na kami, we have 2 left and then isa, ano siya, salmon ang nasa loob. And then another one is with cheese. Another kind of cheese, thank you well. So, naghati kami ni Honey. Ito, cheese. And then the other one is with salmon. So, yan. Sana masarap. Good.
I know the people, but I don't know
The names? Yung salmon masarap. Let's try the cheese. Lekker.
lekker.
Honey, what can you say about the first serving?
It's kei lekker, heel lekker. Yeah, very good.
So we're now gonna get the second serving. I don't know what they'll serve. Maybe soup?
Sweet.
Sweet?
No, sweet.
Bread daw with sweet. So this restaurant, ano siya, mga bread. Mga bread. So this is the next set. Looks good. Masarap siya. May peanut na taste. Para siyang curry. It's like curry, but I can taste peanut. It's a little bit spicy, though.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Sarap niya, oy. It's really good.
It's echt lekker hoor.
There's no spoon, so I think we can drink.
No. I think too.
Ang cute niya. It's really good. Garlic. Knoblauch.
Ja?
So, ano siya, with some herbs. I think there's bell pepper, crushed bell pepper, and with the garlic as well. Masarap siya.
Ja.
So, next one is with spinach. Para siyang pie. Sibi. Oh, it's soft. Yeah. So, last set, sa aming set, ano siya, ito. So, see kung ano nasa loob. Yeah? Ooh. There's a lot inside, honey.
Veel werk, hè,
Ja.
om dit te maken. Mooi.
Really good. Honey.
Lekker.
No? This is the last one, I think. The dessert. Looks really good. So we've been here for like almost 2 hours now, yeah? Almost 2 hours now. And this is the last, I think, the last meal. Hindi po free yung kasama yung soft, yung soda. But then we ordered soda kasi medyo heavy siya. So yeah, this is the last one. This is the dessert now. Masarap siya tingnan. It looks good. Ik pak deze honey, de chocolade.
Ja. Dat we doen.
Lekker. Tapos na kami, guys. Yeah. Tatlong serving pero grabe. Medyo bread kasi so it's heavy. Pero it's good. And cheap.
Very
Cheap too. Yeah, nice. So which one was the best one?
The best I give with vanille.
Dessert,
Yeah,
the vanilla.
The vanille. And
Oh, with the egg tart? The
eieren. Ja, ja.
With the broodjes?
And the broodjes I think with the cheese, the brie.
Oh,
Yeah.
the dun.
Ja,
thin
cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the second one?
And the second one it was with the soup, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit soup. Was lekker.
Yeah.
Ja.
Lekker.
Ja. Het was allemaal lekker.
Yeah, they go. I also like the tin sandwich.
Ja,
Met een kaas.
Die vanille vond ik heel lekker.
Yeah, denk ko. And the brownies, like
Allemaal
everything
lekker.
is good. This the name of the place is Broodje Apart. Broodje Apart. It's in Schijndel. Yeah, nice place. So, ito yung restaurant, guys. Ito yung sa labas niya. And papunta na kaming parking. Uwi na kami kasi full na. It was nice, yeah. Yeah, you have to have patience because it takes time for them to, to make the food because yung staff po doon may mga sila kapansanan ba, mga handicapped. But yeah, it's nice. Yeah. So uwi na kami. It's cold. What's Anna? What's Anna? What's Mama? Okay. Anna, where's Anna? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Anna. Anna. Where's Anna? Anna. Where's Anna? Where's my love? Where's my love? Where's Anna?
Okay. Where's Mama?
Okay, wag na po anak pod. Okay ni. No, the cow is here. Sus, ka-impatient man lang din mo pangga. The cow is here pangga. Oh. Okay, look for it. The cow's here. Okay, you do it your way, okay. Mama, alik mama. Love, mama. Aww. I love you. Cute niyan. Suko niya. Muna, kay si mama sige video. Suko ng bata. So, kami na lang dalawa dito. And good news, may natanggap akong letter galing sa tax authorities dito. And makakakuha kami ng refund. Mga more than 100 lang yata yun. So, malaki na din yun. Magkano mga 100 sa atin, mga almost 6,000 pesos. So, malaki-laki na din yun. May malaki akong kuan dito. Hala ba, nasabi ko sa matagal na yun. Nasabi ko sa vlog ko dati na itatry kong mag-English ba para maintindihan ng mga hindi marunong mag-Tagalog at Bisaya. Yeah, I'll try my best, but naturally I speak Tagalog now when I start vlogging. Yeah, we'll try our best to speak English day, no? I think our vlog today is a little bit long already. Automatic na English ng Charot! So, yeah, it's my time check. It's already almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think I will organize some laundry or organize our clothes. And then after that, I'll start preparing dinner as usual. That's our life here. And look at Anna's hair. She's so cute. Anna! Anna! Oh! Mama's here! Oh, where are you going now? Who are you calling outside? Are you calling our neighbor? Guys? Yung namin ba? Yung kapitbahay namin, guys. Ewan ko lang, no? May 2 pulis na pumunta sa kanila. Unsa ka ni siya, we? May drama aning kataan. Hey! Hey! Tami! Ang tami ay... Klaro kay guilty yan. Busog po yan, ha? Tami! Tami! So yeah, gawa na naman tayo ng gawaing bahay. I'll get back to you mamaya.
Three hours later.
She said it's good.
What time, what?
11.
Okay, because I
So,
have to talk with Opa. I gonna early out.
Dinner namin. Diyan na si Ana. Kakain muna kami. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like and
Bedankt voor het kijken.
subscribe. Bedankt voor het kijken. Salamat for watching. Yeah, see you naman sa susunod na vlogs. Bye, Ana! Doei! Mush, mush, babush! Yay! Flying kiss! Mwah!